1 Minute Portuguese Lesson 8.
Hello!
Hello, it's Mark and Susanna here from the Radiolingua Network, and welcome to another lesson of 1 Minute Portuguese. In this lesson, we're going to be learning to count from 1 to 10.
I think the clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Susanna is going to say the numbers slowly and pause in between each one. I'll say the English first and then Susanna will say the Portuguese. After each number, you should repeat it, trying to make sure your pronunciation is as close as possible to Susanna's. 1.
1.
2.
Dois.
3.
Três.
4.
Quatro.
5.
Cinco.
6.
Seis.
7.
Sete.
8.
Oito.
9.
Nove.
10.
10.
Well done. Let's repeat them again, and this time we'll group them together. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Time's up. This is, of course, lesson.
8.
And can you work out what the next lesson will be?
That's right. It's lesson 9.
That's all for this week. Next week we'll be asking, how are you? In the meantime,
Obrigada e adeus.
adeus! This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.